We live in an age of information overload, yet we are starving for true wisdom. We chase trends, worry about the future, and let small distractions ruin our days. But what if the operating system for an unshakable life was already written thousands of years ago? Today, we are extracting 10 timeless, non-negotiable execution laws from history's greatest minds. Laws designed to build unbreakable discipline, master your habits, and help you demand the absolute best from yourself. Let's get straight to the code. We start with the bedrock of all mental toughness. Epictetus taught that your life is divided into two columns: things you control and things you don't. Your choices, your discipline, and your immediate actions are up to you. The weather, the market, and other people's opinions are not. Stop leaking power by stressing over the outside world. Focus 100% of your energy on your own execution and accept the rest with absolute equanimity. When a crisis hits, most people freeze. But the Roman Emperor Marcus Aurelius looked at problems as raw material. He wrote, "What stands in the way becomes the way." Think of your mind like a blazing fire. A weak flame gets smothered by a heavy log, but an intense fire consumes the obstacle and uses it to burn brighter. Every struggle you face is just a customized gym for your character. Temptation and chaos thrive on the element of surprise. Seneca practiced premeditatio malorum, the premeditation of evils. Every morning, mentally step into the arena early. Predict your weaknesses, map out potential distractions, and decide your response in advance. When you script your discipline before the battle even starts, you eliminate internal debate when temptation hits. Musonius Rufus, the teacher of Epictetus, argued that philosophy is useless if it's just academic theory. He compared discipline to practicing a physical craft like playing an instrument or training for a sport. You don't get a strong character by reading about it. You get it through raw, daily repetition. True discipline is a physical habit of choosing the harder path until it becomes natural. Socrates famously stated that the unexamined life is not worth living. To break bad habits, you must run an instant audit throughout your day. When procrastination hits, or you feel the urge to quit, pause and ask, is this choice mapping toward my highest self? Bringing immediate conscious awareness to your impulses is the quickest way to kill a bad habit in its tracks. We are what we repeatedly do. Aristotle realized that greatness isn't an isolated act or a stroke of luck. It's a direct consequence of your habits. You don't build an unshakable mind by being disciplined once a week. You build it by keeping the small promises you make to yourself every single morning. Your standards dictate your reality. The philosopher Lao Tzu reminded us that a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. When a goal feels too massive, overwhelm sets in, leading to paralysis. Break the target down to its smallest visible part. Don't worry about mastering the next year. Focus entirely on mastering the next 5 minutes. Win the moment, win the day. Diogenes the Cynic lived a life of absolute simplicity to prove a point. Most of our anxieties come from trying to conform to social illusions. True freedom is the refusal to compromise your values for external approval. Stop letting the noise of society dictate your worth. Lock in your internal compass, stand firm in your principles, and remain entirely unshakable. Nietzsche introduced a radical concept called amor fati, the love of one's fate. Don't just tolerate the difficult seasons of your life, embrace them fully. Your tight budgets, your setbacks, and your struggles are the exact hard winter training needed to secure your roots. Without resistance, there is no growth. Treat every challenge as your ultimate sparring partner. Cato didn't win arguments by shouting. He won them by living with radical integrity. He walked barefoot and wore simple clothes to train himself to only fear things that were truly shameful, not just unconventional. Don't waste time debating what a good person should be. Be one. Let your daily execution speak louder than your words. 10 masters, one unified truth. Your mind must remain in absolute command of your habits. Stop settling for a compromised version of yourself. Pick one of these lessons today, run your morning audit, and close the gap between your current self and your highest potential. If you're ready to build an unshakable mind, subscribe to the wisdom inspired for your daily strategic blueprint. Stand firm.